Hi warriors! If you suffer from cervical headaches or migraines, this next exercise is for you, and it's one that is used very regularly in physical therapist offices to help alleviate some of the pressure in your neck.